Hey guys, I love Christmas time and especially Christmas trees. This tree is extra special because it doesn't hold your typical ornament. This one has memories from over the years here at Lighthouse for Life. Fun things to go back and reflect on, like when our ladies got to go to Charleston and create their own unique perfume, or when we had the grand opening of the harbor last year, which allowed us to have pizza and movie nights with our ladies and their children. Oh, here's a special one. This is when a mom was reunited with her daughter after getting her own life stable again. And then we have when our very first survivors we came alongside graduated from the Ending the Game program, and so many others. And we're adding new ones this year. In fact, one of those ladies that graduated became our guest speaker at our gala, and it was so neat to see her communicating back with her own voice into this fight against trafficking. We had cars that were provided for survivors, and a night when we had a mini horse on our property with their ladies and their kids, survivor retreats, and so many other amazing memories. Memories that you guys are helping us to put on this tree. Memories that as we anticipate going into 2026 and the years ahead will only grow. And one of our favorite memories from this year is the fact that we are now ready to welcome residents into Care's home. We have our staff, we're finishing up the paperwork and the onboarding and the training, and we cannot wait to see what new memories are added to this tree. So thank you for your continued support. We always invite you to stop by for coffee or a visit. So from all of us to you, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and here's to new memories.